mama, I'm in fear for my life from the long arm of the law.
This is a review of the Colt 1911 airsoft pistol. It's spring powered. It's a pretty cheap one. It's like Walmart or whatever. It's all plastic. I got it at Dick's Sporting Goods for like $20. Shoots like 250 FPS, I think. Cock it, just hold the slide. Magazine release is right here. This little button. Do that. Magazine falls out. Magazine, it holds like 13. Just pull this spring down, put your BBs in, and you move the spring so it slides back up. It's all plastic except for the weight in it. In the box, it just came with the magazine, a little packet of BBs that I don't have, the gun, and the target. This hammer back here doesn't move when you cock it. It just stays like that.
It's like one of those very cheap guns.
Yeah, it's a pretty cheap gun, but it's alright.
It's good for
$20.
yeah, it's good for like a quick war.
Yeah. Safety right here. You move it down. Can't shoot it. You can still cock it. Move it up, and you can shoot and cock. It's all fine. Yeah, that's about it. Actually, it's the same with the
Other gun we did.
same
The other
with
pistol. The Colt.
Smith & Wesson. You just put bullets in the magazine in the barrel and shoot it. So it's pretty nice.
Yep. Please rate and comment.